This is LeetCode question 1299. Replace the element with greatest element on right side. This is quite a new question. Okay. Sum of is 4 times bigger than sum down. Okay, let's get into it. Given an array AIR, replace every element in the array with the greatest element among the elements to each right, and replace last element with -1. I think this is one of hint. After doing so, return the array. Let's check with example 1. Input array is the 1918. In this case, okay. First here, we'll replace -1, and then now here, the biggest number of right side is 1, and then here, biggest number of right side 6, and here, biggest number of right side also 6, and here, biggest number of the right side 6, and here, biggest number of right side 18. Do you have any idea to solve it? I think this one is easy version of Google question. Count the day to be warm. Maybe we can use same approach. So first we will do okay, right here. Max. Max value with previous. So initialize this one is -1, this one also -1, and then start from last. And then this time I will save this number to previous, and then overwrite the max number -1. And now it's here 6, saves previous, and then before that, and then I will calculate the max value is max with previous. So previous is much bigger, replace 1, and then replace max before that 6, say max value, and now previous, and then this one 6, and then now previous is 4, and overwrite max value 6, compare bigger is still 6, and then now previous is 5, overwrite max value, checking this one still big, and now it's 18. Replace 6, and then compare, so max value is 18, now is 16, and overwrite max value and compare, it's the 18, so return value is same as this one. Does it make sense? Okay, we will implement exactly same as this one. So max value is -1, and previous is -1. I will iterate backward. For I in range length array -1 and 2 0, and decrease 1 by 1. So first I will do previous, save the previous to array current. Before overwrite array, I will overwrite array is max value, and then I will update max value with previous, and then I will return array. Okay, looks good. Submit. In this time, there are one iteration with no extra space, so we can say linear time with constant space. Thank you.